Okay, nice drop to the zone here. Let's go in 8 contracts long right here. Remember, this is oil. It's $10 a tick times the 8 contracts. That makes it $80 a tick. We'll go for a 10 tick profit target right now. So that would be the 80 times 10 ticks. You're looking at 800. If we might move our profit target in a little. Move my stop in just now, but this is not where we're going to keep our stop. All right, we hit off our profit target once here. Again, we're coming off our Archer zone lines. You can see we have the double line there. Generally, when they're close together, we don't like that, but when they're really close together like this, they do have a powerful effect on price. Boom, there it is. All right, we slammed in our first trade there, 800. We did stay in for the whole 10 ticks here. What we'll do now is let's see if we can't get another. Okay, another short here. Let's do 6 contracts this time. It's a little lower quality trade, a little more risky, so we'll adjust our contract size. We'll bring our stop in. We'll just keep it here for right now. We'll probably move that in to break even as soon as we can. We're using these Archer zones again. Now we've tested these zones 3 times. The second time right here. Here's our third time right here. I'm thinking it's going to break through our zone here. The zone's just not going to hold up through three goes. So we're probably going to see a nice breakdown here. Pretty fast. It should be a quick trade here. Shouldn't last that long. Let's go ahead and take us out right here at 8 ticks here. Go to break even on our stop, and we should be good. There it is. All right, went ahead and slammed that one in. We're up 1,220 right now. That's 2 trades. Again, these zone lines. This thing should continue to drop actually down to a new low for today. But we took out a nice little chunk here. Okay, we got our fill here. Sorry about that. I had my recorder here on pause. But we only went in 4 contracts this time. Again, a little more risky trade, so we adjust our contract size. But we're coming off the zone, and the zones are acting as resistance levels now, not support levels. So I didn't like where my stop initially would have been coming off the zone, so I waited for a second entry here, and we're in much better shape now if this trade works out. But we're going with the trend here, which is what we want to do, and it's a nice little layout. Okay, hit our target on 4 contracts on this third trade. So we're up 1,700 now on our 3 trades. Did 8 contracts on the first trade and 6 on the second and 4 on the third. All right, so let me go over this with you real quick. Let me go ahead and plot these for you on our NinjaTrader. I usually don't plot these. Little arrows get in the way sometimes of your OHLC bars, but right now, for the sake of talking about them, they're all off this zone line. Here's our first one, a long position. Okay. Here's our second trade, short position on 6 contracts, and our third trade, short position on 4 contracts. Okay. And it's just because they had a little bit, there was a little less probability on the second and third. Um, so we ended up with 1,700 here. And again, it's the zone lines. When these Archer zone lines are this close together, they get very, very powerful. And you can see how we played it different on each touch of the zone line. And because they become less and less important, and then a zone line became a resistance level as opposed to a support level. So I didn't like the first entry on our third trade, and then we took the second entry, and it worked out well.